Good morning. Today I'm here to talk to you about the range test of the DJI Mavic 3 Classic drone. This is a great drone for those looking for an easy, efficient and reliable way to get into the world of aerial photography and videography. The Mavic 3 Classic drone is a great choice for anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial footage or photos without breaking the bank. The Mavic 3 Classic drone is equipped with a powerful 4K camera, allowing you to capture stunning quality footage from up to 5.7 miles away. The drone also features an impressive range of features, such as active track, obstacle avoidance, and tap fly, making it easier to capture amazing aerial shots. When it comes to range tests, the Mavic 3 Classic drone performs impressively well. When tested in an open space with no obstacles, it had a maximum range of 5.7 miles, with an average range of 4.5 miles. This is a great range for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. The Mavic 3 Classic drone also has great battery life. During range tests, the drone was able to fly for up to 25 minutes before needing to be recharged. This is great. Now it's time, let's see how far it can go with a single charge. And how long can we fly with any obstruction? As you have seen friends, we have covered 9,376 meters and it took 40% of the battery. I can believe it go beyond, but the battery dies early and the drone is going back to the home point. What do you think about this distance? Is it good enough? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button as well.